To add video to your waiting room in Zoom that will play when people join your meeting, you want to come into zoom.com and click on the sign in here to sign in. You want to do this on your web, not on the desktop app. This will be done on the web browser, and you want to come over to this left pane here and scroll down to find settings. From here, you want to search for waiting room. Let's enter that on our keyboard and you'll see waiting room will come up. You can now toggle on your waiting room, and if at any point you want to toggle off waiting room, you can also do it from here by just following the same process to find your waiting room. Now you're going to turn on our waiting room. Now let's customize our waiting room. We're going to go to customize waiting room. We want to add a video in our customization. This is what people are going to see when they try to join your meetings, and this is where a video can play. So we're going to say we want to add a video. For you to add a video to your Zoom waiting room, you must have a paid subscription, and also the video must not be more than 30 MB. I'm going to click here to upload a video from here. So I can upload from my PC. This is the video I want to use. This is less than 30 MB. And you see the video loads in this place. If we play this video, so this is what they are going to see when they come into the waiting room. And once you're done with this, you're going to click on save. This saves this video, and this is what people will see when they try to join your meetings.